Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will create an interactive animation where you can pop balloons. When you click on a balloon, confetti will burst out from it, and once all balloons are popped, the animation will reset. Let's get started. Let's start with the HTML structure. First, I include canvas-confetti library in HTML. I was inspired by the birthday balloons in X in this work. We have a simple structure here. There are 8 images, and the div holds all of them. Let's move on to the CSS. We style the body with a dark background and cobweb image. The class balloons takes up the entire screen, and the images inside are placed absolutely. Each balloon image is set to 80 pixels and positioned at the bottom of the screen. Each balloon has its own animation delay and speed, so it makes them fly upwards at different times. This way we have a smooth and random floating effect. Next, we add the interactivity with JavaScript. We will keep track of how many balloons have been clicked. Here we select all balloon images and listen for a click event. When you click a balloon, it should disappear. We can change the shape of the confetti. I select the existing one here to make a triangle. We can set the confetti particle count, spread, and colors. Spread controls how wide the confetti spreads. Scalar sets the size of the confetti. The origin is set to the balloon's position, so the confetti moves out from where the balloon was clicked. It sets the gravity for a slower fall. We have 8 balloons at a time and must click on each balloon at most once. But we have a problem here. To solve this, we must increase the click count by 1 for each click. If we want the animation to repeat when all the balloons are hidden, we can use the reset balloons function. We set the opacity to 1 to show the balloons visually again. Now we reset the animation by manipulating the DOM. We also reset the click count. When the 8 balloons are hidden, the animation is reset and restarted after 1 second. The balloon can still be clicked after it becomes invisible, because setting opacity to 0 only hides the element visually. So we use visibility to prevent this and ensure each balloon can be clicked only once. Setting visibility to hidden hides the element visually, and it makes it non-clickable. As you can see, confetti no longer bursts out repeatedly after the balloon is hidden. If you don't have images, you can simply make balloons using a span tag. You can give background color, border radius, and opacity to the span tag and set the aspect ratio. In JavaScript, you need to set a span tag instead of the image. And that's it! We've created an interactive animation where you can pop balloons and see cool confetti. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.